What the fuck? He had it.
Yeah, guys. Again, these aren't big fish, but they're fish and they're fun to catch. That you can't argue with. Plus, these fish, wherever they might end up, one, might end up as bigger fish food, or two, might end up as bigger fish later on if they grow up, which is always a good thing. Damn, they're quick. There must be nothing but small ones down there now. But they're definitely in here, bro. You know, it's deep right there too, all the way to your right side. Yeah, like right where that thing is floating in the water.
Yeah.
That's deep there too. Got him. Oh shit. Do that again. Come on, fish. This is so easy, guys. I wish I could stick a camera down here.
I have one.
It doesn't have a light on it though, huh? I'm gonna have to bring my rig with the light. I bet if I stick it down there, we can see the flatheads that are down there.
Yeah.
And make no mistake, guys, I'm probably standing on some big ass carps and catfish. They like to hide in places like this until the river comes back. Whoa, look, still in there.
I got him.
Ooh.
Hey.
Well, they're in there, told you. And this is why we try new things, new places. See how many more are down here. Look at that. Like magic. See if there's one right here. There is. Holy shit. There's fish everywhere under me. Oh man, I'm loving this. Again, guys, I'm fishing here with Brandon Marshall of New Mexico Fishing Studios, and we are slaying these bluegill that are down here. Look, the bait isn't even going down all the way. They must be so hungry. Did you see that? Wow. All right, guys, experiment time. We're going to just drop this down and hold it at a certain depth and see at which point they start biting it. That's down about 6 inches. That's 8 inches and they're already attacking it. I can see their little mouths coming up. Ravenous little beasts. They're everywhere in here. What is that? Got him. Boom. Can you throw these fish in there, bro, please?
Yeah.
All right, guys. In the span of what, like 10 minutes, there's more than 12 bluegill in that bucket. And this is all because I tried something new. It may not look like there's a lot of water here, but these fish don't require a whole lot of water, obviously. And they were happy until I came along and put a hook in their lip. Now they're gonna have a new life somewhere else. Whoa, there must be tons of bluegill under me. Like tons. Do you want to come over here and catch one?
Yeah, sure.
You got to make a video about this.
Alright. Damn, how many?
A lot, bro. All right, right here. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna give this up the spot to my friend Brandon Marshall, because that's what friends do. How many did? There's one behind you. That's a lot of fish, dude.
Yeah, that's slop.
All right, we're gonna see if I can.
Little like insects or fish.
Oh, I don't know. They're not fish.
No.
Nah. We're gonna try here in front of me in the open water now, guys. Just because. Why not? Just let it free fall down there. Use the smallest hook you got, bro. Again, just watching my line, as I always do, as I teach you guys to do. If there's anything down there, it's gonna take it. Do you smell that hot dog in the water? I can see it there in the water. If there's fish in there, they'll see it too. We're looking for that straight line, guys. Again, these fish aren't the biggest ones in the water, but hey, we're catching fish, and we weren't catching fish earlier. And it makes a world of difference when you catch something. It just makes you happy. I mean, that in the weed. That in the weed. So yeah, they're definitely here. Well, they were here until we came.
Alright guys, this is Adrian's new little spot. He knows this spot, but he decided to come over here and fish for bluegill.
Right there, right in front of you.
I'm gonna drop it straight down in front of me.
Literally at your feet. You might have to do it with your hand.
Yeah.
They're right below the branch, bro.
Right there.
Yeah. You'll feel them nipping.